Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super handy topic: how to transfer money from your bank account to Cash App in 2025. Whether you're paying friends, splitting bills, or just managing your finances on the go, this process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates. Let's dive right in and make sure you're all set. First off, why do this? Cash App is quick, secure, and integrates seamlessly with your bank, saving you time and hassle. But before we start, ensure you have the Cash App downloaded on your smartphone and that you're logged in with your account. Step 1. Open the Cash App and head to the Banking tab, usually at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see an option to manage your linked accounts. If your bank isn't connected yet, tap Add Bank and follow the prompts. You'll need to enter your bank's details or use the secure linking feature, which might involve verifying your identity with a code sent via text or email. Step 2. Once your bank is linked, go back to the main banking section. Look for the Add Cash or Transfer from Bank button. This is where the magic happens. Select it to initiate the transfer. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes. You'll see a summary of the transaction, including any potential fees. Yes, in 2025, most transfers are fee-free, but it's good to confirm. Step 4. Hit Confirm, and if required, complete any additional verification, like a PIN or biometric scan for security. Your money should appear in your Cash App balance within minutes, depending on your bank. A quick tip: always keep an eye on your transaction history for peace of mind, and if you encounter any issues, Cash App's support chat is incredibly responsive. That's it. You're now a pro at transferring funds. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.